welcome to the Word Within the Word March Madness Tournament 2012 update. Today we'll be taking a look at the bracket updates for the qualifiers and round 1 matchups. Turn it over to Miss Watts for some commentary over the Northern Conference.
Well, as the competition gets started, we see in the Northern Conference that Mr. Harrison has 10 people, with me having 6 in this round. The first 7 seeds also go to Mr. Harrison, so this is going to be a round where Mr. Harrison's class can really shine, but a lot of people also may get knocked out of this round in his class because there are so many from his class in this round.
Yeah, you'll see here that only one can advance to the final dance here. So what that means is that I have 7 of my top students that will be competing against one another for just one spot. Let's head on over to the Southern Conference. Here we see that Watts' class far outweighs Harrison's class with 11 qualifying students. Harrison's class has 5 qualifying students. It is important to note here, however, that the top seed is from Harrison's class. So although Harrison has a few students in this bracket, the number 1 seed is secured by one of his students. Also here that's important to notice is that out of the top 4 seeds, 3 of them are Miss Watts's.
And again, this is the conference that is heavily weighted with my students, so it will be the same as the Northern Conference with Mr. Harrison. I'll have a lot of my students that will get knocked out of this conference, and again, only one can win, so hopefully one of mine will take it.
Let's head on over to the Western Conference. This is the even one, straight across the board. There are 8 students that have qualified for Miss Watts' class, and there are 8 students that have qualified from Mr. Harrison's class. Now, even though the numbers are even, Watts has the first 4 seeds.
Yeah, this conference looks like it has several of my heavy hitters here, so hopefully we'll get to see somebody from this conference take it all the way to the end.
Let's head on over to the final one here, the Eastern Conference. So in this conference, my class has actually 12 students have qualified, and only 4 from Watts in the Eastern Conference. Now what's important to notice here, however, is the number 1 seed belongs to Miss Watts' student.
And the number 1 seed I have in this conference is one of my heavy hitters, so hopefully he will keep studying and make his way all the way to the end as well.
Alright, that's going to do it for the bracket updates for this week. Join us after the first round matches have concluded for the updates going into second round.
See ya.